Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A71 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can do hard reset or factory data reset your phone Samsung Galaxy A71. First of all, switch off or power off your phone. This is power button, just long press it. If power off menu is not coming, you can use other way of power off your phone. Just click here and click on power off. The phone will be switched off. Now you go to use power button and volume up button together. Just long press power button and volume up button together. And the reset menu will appear. Just wait. Yes. Here you go to select wipe data. Wipe data factory reset. Fifth option. For confirming, use power key. And here select factory data reset, second option. Yes, it's done now. Now go to reboot your phone, just press power button and your phone will be restarted. Just wait. All other applications will be installed freshly. Just go to wait. Now you can set up your phone. Click here. Accept terms and conditions. Click next. If you have any Wi-Fi, you can just click on that and give the password, Wi-Fi password. Otherwise, you can skip this step. Click on connect. Now click on next. Checking for updates. Checking info. Just wait. And you can sign in into Google account. Otherwise skip this step. And accept terms and conditions here. Click on accept. Skip anyway. Click OK. Click next. Click skip. Click finish. Wait few seconds. Click done. And click done here. Click OK. Click done. Select the language here. Select English or any other language of your choice. Wait few seconds. Yes, your phone is ready to use. Now you can sign into Google account and other accounts if you want. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.